grandfather. We thank the Lord for the chance and time that He had given us to be with you. As your grandchildren, we will never forget the proverbs you always gave us before starting any story. The Mau Mau stories that were interested, but sometimes were unbelievable. At any time we visited you, you always had something for us to eat, however small. You always shared your love to your grandchildren was unconditional. Your wisdom in problem solving will be missed by all of us. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Asante sana.